Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily offer in OfferUp. So what do you want to do? You just click on the post you see, and then you're gonna see here make offer. And then just click here make offer. And that's pretty much it. So you just make offer and you just click here. And when you go back here, then you're gonna see messages here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.